Hi everyone! Welcome back to Anne Design Craft channel. Today I will crochet joy from inside out. This video is part 2. For the joy body crochet pattern, please refer to the previous video. I will place the link in the description below. If you like this, please subscribe and hit the like button. Your support really motivates me to create more videos for you. Here are the tools you'll need for this video: 4-ply cotton yarn, a 3mm crochet hook, pair of scissors, a needle, and a forceps for stuffing. The video is divided into 2 parts. In part 1, I will crochet the body of joy, and in part 2, I will crochet the hair and the clothing. Let's start crocheting the hair. Make a knot in a magic ring and do 6 single crochets into it. When you finish a round, make a slip stitch in the first stitch. And then make a chain to start the next round. In round 1, make an increase in every stitch until the end. You should have a total of 12 stitches. In round 2, do 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat 6 times. Total 18 stitches. Next, we are going to make the first hair strand. Chain 13. Then skip 1 chain and start crocheting from the second chain. Insert the hook into the back bump of the chain. Do 1 slip stitch, then 11 single crochets. When you finish the hair strand, make a slip stitch in round 3. Repeat this process 2 more times. Now you have 3 hair strands. For the next 3 hair strands, do chain 15. Skip 1 chain, then start with a slip stitch in the second chain. Do 13 single crochets and finish with 1 slip stitch in round 3. For the next 3 hair strands, do chain 13. Skip 1 chain, then start with a slip stitch in the second chain. Do 11 single crochets and finish with 1 slip stitch in round 3. For the following hair strands, follow the written pattern. Here, another small piece of the hair. Combine the hair with the head, using pins to arrange and hold the hair. Once you're satisfied with the hair's position, you can either sew it onto the head or use glue to stick it in place. Next, we crocheting the dress of joy, use light green yarn. Start with 30 chains. Make a slip stitch on the first chain to form a round. In round 1, insert the hook through the back bump of the chain and do 30 single crochets. In round 2, do 30 single crochet. In round 3, do 4 single crochet. One decrease and 4 single crochet. Repeat this pattern 3 times. Total 27 stitch in this round. In the following round, follow the written pattern. In round 9, do 21 single crochet in back loop only. In the following round, follow the written pattern. In round 12, do 2 single crochet, and then do 5 chains. Skip 5 stitch, then do 4 single crochet. Do 5 chains. Skip 5 stitch, then do 2 single crochet. Cut the leftover yarn. We have now made the sleeve. Then give thickness to it. Insert the hook to round 11. Pull out the yarn. Make a slip knot. Do a decrease on the stitch in round 11 and the chain in round 12. Do 3 single crochet on the chain. And 1 decrease on the chain and the stitch on round 11. Cut the leftover yarn and fasten off. Do the same pattern on another sleeve. Insert the hook to round 11. Pull out the yarn. Make a slip knot. Do a decrease on the stitch in round 11 and the chain in round 12. Do 3 single crochet on the chain, and 1 decrease on the chain and the stitch on round 11. Cut the leftover yarn and fasten off. The dress fits Joy's body perfectly, though it needs to be squeezed on when putting it on. Remember to use light blue yarn to sew the pattern on the dress. The joy crochet is done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crochet tutorials and creative crafts. See you next time.